We will be studying how to make a paper boat in this session. For that, we need a piece of paper which is in the shape of square. Then fold it by half through its horizontal middle line. Next step is to fold the new shaped paper by its half through the vertical middle line. Then we should fold that newly formed square shaped paper by its diagonal as you can see here. Finally, bending as showing here, we will be obtained a shape of boat. Wasn't that interesting in making a paper boat? Actually, it was. Now, here they have given us two columns. In the first column, there are vehicles, and in second, the medium in the vehicles move. We need to match them. Firstly, it's an aeroplane. Where does the aeroplane moves? It actually flies. Flying is the action associated with the wind or air. We also know that this is an aerial transporting vehicle. So, we should match this aeroplane with the sky given in the second column. Bus. We all know bus travels on roads. So, road is at the top in the second column. We are matching the bus given here with that road. What is the medium for a water transport to travel? It's water. Boat is categorized under water transport. So, it needs water to travel. Here, they have given either a pond or river. We can match them. Next one is a train. You all seen two parallel metal railings on which train runs. It's known as track. More specifically, railway track. Matching train with the track given finishes this exercise on the lesson transportation. We are having a beautiful song which teaches us the sounds of the vehicles we see in our daily life. Let us sing and enjoy it. The horn of the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The bell of the cycle goes trin, trin, trin. The sound of the auto goes pom, pom, pom. The engine of the train says puff, puff, puff. The wings of the plane flies swish, swish, swish. The bells of the cart sings jingle, jingle, jingle. The row of the boat goes splash, splash, splash. The wheels of the scooter goes zoom, zoom, zoom. That was a nice song. So, this is about the lesson transportation. We shall learn about a new lesson in our next class.